Welcome to this week's Thai kitchen, the series from my Thai cookbook. Today I'm going to make some nice beautiful mussels in a red curry soup. And the ingredients you need for this dish are as follows: mussels, garlic, shallots, ginger, chili, lemongrass, lime leaves, limes, coriander root, coriander leaves, red curry paste, mussel stock, oil, coconut, milk and Thai fish sauce. Now the first thing up, I've got my little daughter Charlie here. She also gets cooking classes. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, are you going to add the garlic to that for me?
Yep.
Alright, just pour it in. Wonderful. Pour it all in. Let me do it like that, right? Yeah, so garlic. Do the shallots. Go on. All the shallots. Adding some oil. Ginger. Wonderful. Good job, Charlie. Now you can add the chilies. Just pop 2 of them in. Alright. Bit more oil. Now you can add the lemongrass, Charlie. Good job, good job. Lime leaves. Not yet, not yet. Slow down, slow down. She's very, very eager on you. Huh? Now, you like the smell? Was that yes or no?
Yeah.
Who knows?
It's hot.
It's hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right.
I want to pour that in.
Red curry paste. You can put 2 more spoons. Careful. One more.
Smells even better.
You love it?
Yeah.
Yeah, come here, have a smell.
Good.
How's that? Huh?
Better than last time.
Better than last time.
Good.
Mussels.
Let me pour it in.
Go on then. My daughter's very hands-on. Good job. Add the stock. Right. Mussel
And pour
stock.
it in.
Slowly. Alright. Mussel stock or clam juice or any kind of stuff. You can buy them in the store. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do
Let me
is...
stir it.
1 second, sweetheart. Right, there you go. You can give it a little stir now. It's hot. Careful. Right, so just going to let them infuse with the flavour. You see, this is a very simple, fast dish. You hot?
Yep.
Yeah. All right, come on, let them come to the boil. Just going to put the lid on and let the flavours infuse.
Are we
Okay?
ready for those?
We'll put that last. Let's give it a taste. Thank you, sweetheart. I just let that simmer for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. No, like this. Right. So the mussels are ready. I don't want to overcook them, otherwise they're going to get tough. So what I'm going to do is put them in my
Are you ready
plate.
for the limes?
Yep. Not yet. No, that's going to go in the sauce. So place them in so, like so. So, like so. Nice
They
and
look
neat.
like shells.
They are.
You just scratch them off from the ground.
You pull them off the rocks in the sea.
They stick to the rocks.
They do.
Do they move?
Yeah.
Slow?
Very slow. Not fast like you.
Not fast like a turtle?
No, definitely not. This is your first time to try mussels, isn't it?
It's slower than a slug.
I don't know. Could be. I bet it'd be a fun race. Slugs can't swim unless it's a sea slug. In that case, it can do. Now, Charlie, can you pour me the coconut milk? Not all. Slowly.
turning
Yeah.
white.
I want to put it all in there. Okay. So I'm going to bring that to the boil
Can I mix it?
and let it simmer for about 5 minutes so you can mix it in. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. So adding my coriander root. There you go. You pour that in and coriander. Yeah.
It's hot. Let me go put the in the kitchen.
Okay. And some splashing of Thai fish sauce. That's your Asian version of a salt. Right. Come back to the boil.
Dad, we have the plates ready.
We do, Princess.
I have my plates ready.
Are you looking forward to this?
Yep. I found it
Tap
out.
more Thai fish sauce.
I found out that
You can put this in to your own taste because it is a salt. But be careful, it's very strong. Squeezing that with a little bit of lime.
I wanted to do that.
You can do one, okay? Just to add that little bit of citrus to my dish. Yeah, she loves lime. How does that look, my princess?
Good. It looks all lemony.
Does it look lemony?
Yeah. It looks spiky hair lemony.
Hey, look at that.
I like it.
Look, look. All right. Look at that, folks. Doesn't that look fantastic? My daughter has a thing for limes. All things sour. Comes,
Let me pour that in.
all right, there you go. Can you pour some for me as well, please? My favourite part, of course, the tasting.
Okay, this is mine and that's yours.
Well, that's mine.
Let me just put some.
Oh, no, okay. There you go. How's that?
Oh wait, that has hair on it. Okay, exchange.
Hair? That can't be my hair. Aye?
Has to be. Okay, that's mine.
There you go.
Ah, Dad, too much. Put some on yours.
Okay.
I can take one and try.
Yeah?
Yeah, one is okay for me. One. And check that.
Want some curry sauce?
No!
No? All right. Charlie doesn't like sauce on her things. Right, let me show you how to do it. With your spoon? Where's your spoon?
Let me just pour the sauce out.
Okay.
Oh, it get on there. You know I vomit when I have sauce.
Right, take that out. Just scoop it off.
You know when I have sauce, I
Where's my
vomit.
spoon, sweetheart? Have you tidied my spoon out? Right, go on. Perfect.
I needed the spoon.
That's it.
I needed the spoon. Hey, what's this?
That's a mussel. Now try it. Come on, put that down. I want you to taste that. Come on.
Tastes like octopus.
Octopus. Is it? Do you like the taste? You do? How many out of 10? How many?
100 out of 100 or 1,000 out of 1,000.
Well, that's good. Keep your legs down. There you have it, folks. She likes it. Well, she's never had mussels before. How great is that? I'm delighted she really liked it. I love testing her on all kinds of things. Anyway, what a great, delightful little simple dish for lunch. And this comes out of my Thai cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand. And you can find more recipes like that on there. That's a wonderful dish. I really like that. Anyway, my Thai cookbook, full of stories, over 100 Thai recipes, stories of my life in Thailand. I learned most of my food on the road on my over 60-70 motorbike trips that I did all over Thailand. A few hairy, scary stories of having to deal with bent, corrupt suppliers, death threats, snakes in the office, usual life. Sometimes, not always, but Thailand is a bit wild. Hence, Wicked Wild Thailand.
A tiny bit sour.
Tiny bit sour.
Because I have lemon on my hand.
All right. If you like the merchandise, you can also check out all the other stuff on the end of the video here. You can buy my book by clicking on the link also at the end of the video. New videos every week. Thanks for watching, folks, and don't forget to click over my shoulder to subscribe. Bon appetit.